How to remove blank lines in Excel. If we write a sentence in one cell and then press enter, the selection moves to the next cell. Here we can write again. But if we press Alt plus enter, you can see the selection is in the same cell, which is A2 here, and the cursor is on the new line. This is called line break. If we press Alt plus enter again, a blank line is created. Line breaks are useful in many contexts, but today we are here to remove line breaks and these blank lines. If you want, you can remove it by pressing backspace. But what if you have a lot of line breaks in your data? This could happen if you download data from a dataset or your website. Let's see a big dataset with a lot of line breaks. In this worksheet, I have hundreds of rows of data with frequent line breaks. The entire line is inside a single cell, which is A1. If we go to the cell B1, you can see it's empty. Now, if I double click on cell A1, you can see a lot of line breaks and a lot of blank lines within this cell. Now our task is to remove these unwanted lines. In previous tutorials, I have explained several ways to remove blank lines in cells. In this tutorial, I will show you the quickest and the easiest way to remove line breaks in Excel. Let's get started. I will use Find and Replace to remove these empty lines within these cells. For that, you will need to click on Find and Select under the Home tab and then click on Replace. Or you can press Ctrl H and you will be in the same position. Okay. Now we are going to use a trick here. In the Find option, we will press Alt and then from the numeric keyboard, we are going to press 010. You can see the cursor has changed here. Okay. Remember, it is important you must press 010 from the numeric keyboard. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, in the Replace With option, we don't need to write anything. Just click on Replace All. Done. All the blank lines within these cells are removed. If I double click here, you can see no line breaks or empty lines here. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the Excel 10 tutorial, please subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.